The Supreme Court's majority on Tuesday appeared narrowly inclined to accept a provision of President Donald Trump's 2017 tax package. It was an outcome that many experts say would avoid jeopardizing a large part of the country's tax system. ArrowRight: the justices were considering whether a one-time tax on offshore earnings that helped pay for Trump's massive tax cut would be permissible under the limited taxing powers the Constitution grants to Congress. Justices from across the ideological spectrum were skeptical of the challenge brought by a Washington state couple, backed by an anti-regulatory advocacy group and widely seen as an effort to preemptively block Congress from creating a wealth tax. Several judges on Tuesday emphasized that the tax on certain offshore profits is broadly similar to other major forms of taxation, including income earned by business partnerships, limited liability companies, and other offshore income. Conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett asked the attorney for the couple. Liberal Justice Elena Kagan asked how court could rule in favor of the couple without risking government's other types of taxes worth trillions of dollars. These types of taxes on gains from your assets in a foreign company have a long, century-long history, Kagan said. Why is this different? And why? For it to be well understood, do we need to understand that Congress can impose these taxes? Although a majority justices appeared to think tax was valid, some of justices suggested during more than 2 hours argument that their reasoning differed from arguments presented by Biden administration. The justices appeared likely to agree on a decision that would uphold tax but reject the government's broad view of scope of Congress taxing powers. I don't fault parties for stars. But I think gist questions is that no one is happy with definition of anything, Justice Sonia Sotomayor told Attorney General Elizabeth B. Prelogar, who argued on behalf tax. The Supreme Court has long supported Congress' authority to tax undistributed corporate earnings and treat those earnings as income. Prelogar said. He said overriding would cause a major change way tax code operates and would result in loss of several $1 trillion revenue. Two of the court's most conservative justices, Samuel A. Alito Jr. and Neil M. Gorsuch, expressed concern about the implications of a broad pro-government ruling that they argued could remove any limits on Congress taxing powers. When the court opens a door, Congress tends to walk through that door, Gorsuch said. The 2017 law at issue in case imposed taxes on certain offshore earnings that were previously exempt unless taxpayer brought money back to United States. The couple and their lawyers, some of whom are from the anti-regulation group Competitive Enterprise Institute, claim they never made any money from the investment. The company made a profit, but instead of distributing dividends, he reinvested in the business.